it up. Take out a pack and we shipping it out. I still sipping purple in the drought. I gotta run from the cut. I brought the K, let it pop. She let me get in that butt. Drip had it talk like a 9.
What's up guys, Quattro again back in the building for another video. Today we're switching it up. I came to the shop originally with one thing in mind and I found out that I could actually do something else. That something else being fitting this intercooler. I've had this intercooler for months. I've had this intercooler for a long time. It's the Majesty. It is the eBay intercooler, but it's gonna be better than what's in there for stock or from stock. So I'm excited to put this guy in, and we're putting in some ECS tuning boost hoses that are not for this car, but we're gonna make them work. Y'all stay tuned, let's get straight to it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually had to slow down the time lapse because when I first started this, I was flying. I was so excited to get to it. And being honest, tearing down the front of an A3 is pretty easy. Trying to swap out the intercooler, totally different story. I'd give this install at 8 out of 10 in difficulty, just purely because nothing wanted to come out. Everything was stuck. My car is relatively high mileage and it's been on there for a long time, so you can imagine trying to fight with this stuff. It ended up taking about 2 to 2.5 hours start to finish, and if everything went smoothly, it would probably be an 1.5 to 2 hour job, but obviously with German cars, nothing ever goes smoothly. Okay, so intercooler out. We're getting ready to go back in with the eBay intercooler. This thing is so tiny and this thing is huge, so I'm actually kind of looking forward to the gains that we get from the intercooler. But let's not slow down now. I'm gonna get straight back to it. Pro tip, being able to use the lift and some sort of stationary object to prop the core support up against is a must for a job like this. As you can see, I'm using the stool to hold everything in place to lock down the bolts so that the front bumper actually fits back on in its proper orientation. All right guys, so install is finished, getting ready to clean up, go for our first test drive, see what this new intercooler can do. Super excited to get this on the road, get back into the mix, and it's gonna be some content coming, so y'all stay tuned.